Hi guys, Teresa here. I'm ready to sleep, but before ending this day, because it's the last day of the month, I'm gonna share to you guys my monthly favorites. But before that, I'm really so excited for tomorrow because tomorrow we're gonna start our Vlogmas episodes. Although I've been doing daily vlogs the past weeks already, Vlogmas episodes will be extra special because I prepared everything for you guys. Although there are still days where I will not do anything, but let's see what I will vlog for those days. But for this day, I'm gonna tell you guys my November favorites, and medyo kalat yung November favorites natin because last month's favorites or the past month's favorites, lagi akong nag-share ng mga iba-ibang categories like meron tayong skincare, meron tayong ganyan, meron tayong gano'n. But for this month, I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I've been using or abusing this month of November. So, let's start with this one. Dahil nga everyday vlogs na tayo and medyo nangangapa pa ako and naninibago ako, so everyday ako nagpo-post, medyo lahat ng memory card ginagamit ko. I really have so much memory card, and this memory card holder is the first thing in our favorites list. Although, ayan, nakikita nyo, nagsisilaglagan na sila. 6 slot lang siya na memory card holder, but I have so much memory cards now dahil nga nagpe-prepare tayo for everyday vlogs and madami talaga akong content na na-shoot na pero hindi ko pa rin na-edit, but they're all here. Ito, super naging daan sa akin para maging organized, and I always put my memory card inside kahit na hindi na siya kasya kasi usually guys, pag wala tong memory card holder, nilalagay ko lang yung memory card sa pocket ng bag ko, sa wallet ko, ganun. Tapos at the end of the day, nawawala siya, and medyo hindi din kamurahan ang mga memory card lalo na kung malaki yung gig. So yan, it's helping me organize kahit na medyo lost pa ako sa ginagawa kong everyday vlogs, but this memory card holder has been helping me. So, this is the first one. And the second one, since sinabi ko na din na everyday vlogs tayo, ngayon, super helpful nitong iPhone 12 Pro Max sa akin. If you haven't seen my video, sinabi ko din doon na parang nag-iPhone 12 Pro Max ako because it's gonna help me with my vlogging. So, it's really been helping me with all the contents, with all the meetings and everything. So, iPhone 12 Pro Max, thank you so much. I really love you this month. And guys, if you want to get your iPhone 12 Pro Max, I think Globe will release their iPhone 12 line on December 11, I think. Basta yung Globe, meron na yan silang iPhone 12 line. So, lahat ng iPhone 12 series. If you want na super kampante kayo, because I know there are people who doesn't want to buy sa online ng gadget, ayun, I would recommend buying sa mismong nagbibigay sa inyo ng service, which is Globe. So, hindi to sponsored, pero yun, I'm really so thankful for Globe the past weeks kasi nagda-down yung Converge, yung PLDT. At least meron kaming Globe Home Wi-Fi dito, tsaka Globe LTE. So far, so good with Globe. And the next one in our list is this one, guys. It's the Cricut Lighter. Bakit may Cricut Lighter sa favorites list natin? Kasi guys, if you have known me or if you have been following me for a long time, you would know that I'm really, really into candles. And medyo ang hirap na pag nagpo-pospora ka, tas yung candle medyo natunaw na or gamit na, mahirap na siyang sindiin with the posporo. And with this Cricut Lighter, dahil mahaba siya, kayang ipasok dun sa may candle, and you can open the candle na hassle-free, yung hindi ka na mapapaso-paso. So, yun, ang third sa list natin. And the fourth one in our list is, eto na, nasa harapan ko na siya. It's the Potpourri mask. Ayan. I really love it kasi, ang ganda ng design, guys. Although, when I wear this, I honestly wear it with the surgical mask, not with the, kasi meron siyang room for filter yata. So, yun, I wear it with my surgical mask and double protection. Kaya, ayan, hindi lang yung nagpapakute, pero double protection din. And I could wash this often. So, yun, ang nice niya, and ang ganda niya din i-pair sa mga outfits. Ito palang ginagamit ko, pero I have other masks from Potpourri. Potpourri is a local shop here in Pampanga. I don't know if you say it ganon na Potpourri, pero that's how I say it. Ito yung nila, collaboration nila with artists, yung mga mask nila. That's why I really love it also kasi may mga artists na gumawa talaga ng design na to. Although I don't know them personally, yung mga artists, I didn't research about them, but I love the designs of Potpourri mask. And yun, gusto ko din yung concept na sila yung gumagawa ng mask, pero may mga artists din na nagtutulungan with the mask. So, I really love it. At lalo na to, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, pero I really love it. Ayan o, keep your distance mask. So, ang cute. And meron din ito, guys, itong mask na to, lahat na nag-trending nandito. Like, may baked sushi, chocolate chip cookies, Zoom meetings, passion projects, meron din Animal Crossing. So, lahat na nag-trending ngayong na-quarantine tayo nandito sa mask na to. I'm really so excited to use them. But for now, ito muna yung ni-use ko. Siguro the next month, I will be using these 2 other designs. And the next one in our list is gonna be, since napakita na ako sa inyo ng parang fashion item na din ngayon, ito naman ang isa pang lagi kong sinusuot ngayon. It's the Crocs Bay something. Basta Crocs, ito. Binili ko to dahil kay Ray Hermar at saka kay Rhea Bear. Kasi guys, ang cute niya nung suot nila. And thankfully, nung sinuot ko din, ang cute din niya. So, everyday ko siyang ginagamit. As you can see, medyo madumi siya ngayon. Kasi ginamit ko pa lang siya. Lagi ko siyang ginagamit talaga. And I've been abusing it this month dahil wala kahit ang pangit na outfit ko. Tapos yan yung suot ko, parang level up ang outfit. Pero guys, yung mommy ko ayaw na ayaw siya dahil super chunky niya. So, yun, nagagalit si mommy pag suot ko siya. Lalo na guys, lagi din ako nadadapa. Kasi super clumsy kong tao. Tapos nadadapa ako dahil super laki nga niya. Pero super comfortable naman niya. Clumsy lang talaga ako. So, yun. The other fashion item in our list is this one. Yung mga Luscious closet dress. If you don't know Luscious Closet is an Instagram shop and dito bumibili ng dresses si Heart Evangelista. Kaya ako napabili sa Luscious Closet. And nung una talaga guys, honestly, ayokong bumili. Kasi medyo namamahalan ako sa dresses nila. But my friend told me na maganda yung quality ng dress. Kaya talaga siya ganun yung price. So, yun, trinay ko. Tapos ngayon, ang dami na. Hindi lang to yung dress ko from them. All the weekends of November, nagdidress ako. And yun, gamit ko yung mga Luscious Closet dress ko. And next one in our list is this one. Fashion item na din naman kasi ang mga pinag-usapan natin. So, this is the next one in our list. If you haven't watched my video last night, pinakita ko na din kasi to sa video ko last night. It's my Prada Multipochette. I really love it kasi like, ito, yung chain na to, you can use it pag elegant outfits and everything. Or pag more casual and more edgy look, I could put the body bag strap and nagmumukhang edgy yung look ko. Super nice nitong multipochette. Kaya love na love ko talaga siya. Love at first sight nung nakita ko to dati. But thankfully, I got it already from Eurolux Experience. Tapos na tayo sa fashion items. Dito naman tayo sa lagi ko din dinadala. Pag lumalabas, lagi kong dala tong Silveraid na Natural Face, Hand, and Body Defense Spray. Medyo konti na lang siya. Pero lagi pa rin siyang nasa bag ko kasi guys, ang ganda ng amoy and habulin kasi ako ng lamok guys. So, pag nakagat ako ng lamok, sprayan ko nito para hindi ko na lang siya makate. So, really love it and medyo may parang ayan, ang bango talaga eh. Hindi siya yung normal na alcohol. Para siyang may kasamang mint. May mint ba to? Mentol. Ayun, may mentol siya. Kaya super sarap ng amoy. And guys, hindi lang itong product ng Silveraid na to yung masarap yung amoy. Meron din silang hand cream pero nasa bag ko now. Yung hand cream nila, ang ganda din ng amoy. And meron silang isa pa. Yung favorite ko is the foam soap. Oo, may foam soap sila na very handy. Parang ganyan lang kaliit. Tapos very handy siya and super sarap ng amoy. Parang watermelon yung smell or basta fruity yung smell. I really love it and ngayon hinahanap ko siya the past few days and kinuha na pala ng sister ko kasi my sister always goes out and yun, nalalagay niya sa bag niya and everywhere she goes, she can wash her hand and have the foam soap with her. So, yun, I really love Silveraid's line. Siguro bibili pa ako ng foam soap sa kanila. So, thank you so much Silveraid for letting me try this but I know I'm gonna purchase more from you guys dahil nga ang sarap talaga ng mga amoy ng mga products nila and I feel so safe with them in my bag dahil nga kailangan natin maging malinis these days. So, don't forget to always have alcohol or if you can have foam soaps or everything in your bag, just bring it so that you can wash your hands every time. So, guys, take note ha. Meron na tayong mask kanina, meron pa tayong ganito. And ang cute pala, hindi ko na pala napakita sa inyo yung sa mask na ano nila, na nakasabi nila dito. Look cute but stay safe. So, always be like that. Although, yan, meron tayong mga fashion items na pinakita. We always need to look cute every day. But we shouldn't forget to stay safe. So, yun. Ilan na ba yung napakita ko sa inyo? Wait, bilangan natin. Meron akong kodigo dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dalawa na lang di ko napapakita. Yung lagi kong ginagamit pag nandito na sa bahay, which is this one. It's the home slippers that I got from Shopee. Bakit ko to pinili? Kasi guys, may ganito si Q2Han. If you don't know Q2Han, twins sila sa Korea na nagvo-vlog. And meron silang ganito yung print. Pero yung sa kanila parang ganon, naka-cross siya. Eh wala akong makitang ganon. Nakita ko ganito. So, yun, binili ko agad sa Shopee. Pagka-post nila sa Instagram story nila, parang I need that. And super duper natuwa ako kasi I don't really wear slippers at home. Actually, my parents want us to wear slippers at home para yung ugat sa paa hindi lumalabas. Pero guys, ang hirap talaga sa akin kasi guys, minsan maiwan ko siya sa sala, maiwan ko siya sa kitchen. So, yun, hindi talaga. But now, dahil ang cute-cute ng slippers ko, medyo may good influence sa akin kasi lagi ko na talaga siyang sinusuot. And ang sarap niya kasi sa paa dahil fur-fur siya. Nung una, medyo hesitant akong bilhin siya kasi baka agad naman madumihan kasi lagi din madumi yung paa ko. Pero now, I think it changed my ways din dito sa bahay dahil cute yung slippers ko. Medyo ano na din tayo sa bahay. Slippers na din tayo sa bahay. Kaya I really love it. It's part of my November favorites. And the last one in our list is this one, Face Republic Face Mask. I actually got this sampler from Face Republic but I haven't tried anything else here. Basta mask lang yung ginagamit ko the past months. And I'm really so happy guys kasi sa face mask, medyo mapili ako. Meron lang talaga akong mga brands na gustong-gusto kasi meron akong mga na-try na face mask brands na I really don't like because when I wear it, halimbawa ngayong gabi, pagkagising ko tomorrow, grabe, meron ng lilitaw na pimple. That's why I don't like wearing face masks that I don't trust. So, kailangan yung brand ng face mask is, I'm very particular with that one. Usually, it's only Tony Moly, Innisfree, or Nature Republic. And other than that, medyo hesitant ako to try new face mask. But Face Republic has been doing so good the past month. Kasi every week, parang mga 3 times ako nag-face mask sa isang week. And super duper. Ito na lang ngayon natitira. I need to stock up on this one. But yun, I really love Face Republic's face mask. And ang funny kasi, meron tayong short story. Kasi ito yung bed ng sister ko. Yung bed ko, ito, yung pinapatungan ko ng camera now. So, magkatabi yung bed namin. And paggabi, medyo doon ako maglalagay ng face mask pag inaantok na ako, ganun. Tapos minsan makakatulog ako na may face mask. And pag nagising siya ng madaling araw para umihi or what, kikita niya ako naka-face mask. So, medyo nabibigla talaga siya. Yun, napagalitan ako ng isang araw dahil doon. Pero, yun talaga. Na-abuse ko talaga ang Face Republic face mask this month. And I'm really so happy with everything that I shared to you guys. Kasi super abuse ko lahat ng ginamit ko this month. I think medyo mas different yung video natin for this month. Kasi pinapag-isipan ko talaga yung mga monthly favorites ko the past few months. But this month, I really knew what to put in my list. Dahil yun talaga yung in-abuse ko this month. So, yun. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next videos. And if meron kayong trinay dito sa video ko na to na products or what, i-post nyo naman sa Instagram story nyo and tag nyo ako. I really love pag meron mga tao mag-message sa akin na ate, trinay ko to dahil sinabi mo ganun. So, yun. Medyo it really makes me happy that you guys are trusting me, trusting my opinion. So, I hope I could gain more trust from other people with those opinions that I share. So, I hope you to see you guys in my next videos and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow in our first Vlogmas episodes. Kaya don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button in this video. So thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next videos.